Today we are working on angles and triangles 7-3, and we have a problem that we're trying to solve in number 12. The second angle in a triangle is 6 times as large as the first. The third angle is half as large as the second. Find the angle measures showing all work. We're going to start off by naming each of our 3 angles, or by identifying the measurements for each of our 3 angles. So give me the measurement for at least one of these angles. Robert, start us off. X equals the first angle. Okay, Robert, give me another one.
6x is the second.
6x equals second angle. And Robert, give me the third angle.
3x.
The third angle you said is 3x because it says the third angle is half as large as the second. So my second angle is 6x.
Yeah.
So I'm going to just be a little bit more thorough and call it 6x over 2 equals third angle. Now, let's talk about where we got them from. The second angle in a triangle is 6 times as large as the first. We have no idea what the first angle is, but we do know the second angle is 6 times bigger than it. So once we get 6x established as our second angle, we know our first angle is going to be x, right? We're going to have to start with some place. And then our third angle plays off of our second angle, and Robert said 6x over 2 is 3x. So before I even start my problem, I'm going to simplify this to 3x. Everybody sees why I can do that, right?
Yeah.
So now I just write my problem using what I know about triangles. And we haven't talked about this word yet, but the triangle sum theorem. I want you to think about that word. Triangle, you know what it means?
Yeah.
Sum, you know what it means?
Yeah.
Theorem. It's an idea or it's something that's true. So we take triangle, we take sum, we put theorem with it, and what do you think the triangle sum theorem states? And I do want you to write this down because it's something we skipped. Triangle sum theorem. Who can tell me what it means? Triangle sum theorem. Pranav? All 3 angles of a triangle added together, there's our sum, right? All 3 angles of a triangle added together equal what, Pranav? Equals 180 degrees. It takes us back to our very first note when we said the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, back on number 1. So when you see triangle sum theorem, it simply is saying what not most of you, I think all of you knew this, all triangles add up to 180 degrees. Okay? So with this now, back to you, Robert. How do we set this up and solve it?
X plus 6x plus 3x.
X
180.
plus 6x plus 3x equals 180 because of the triangle sum theorem, right?
Yep.
One angle plus a second angle plus a third angle equals 180 degrees. Robert, what's my next step?
Combine all like terms.
Combine like terms. So x plus 6x plus 3x is what?
10x.
10x equals 180. Now what?
Divide by 10.
Divide by 10. Are my equal signs lined up for the most part?
Yep.
Yep. Robert, keep going.
X equals 18.
X equals 18 degrees. Did you answer the question?
No.
No, you did not. It says find the angle measures showing all work. So, Robert, what is the angle measure of angle 1?
18.
Angle 1 equals 18 degrees because as Robert told us right away, the first angle is x and we already know x is 18. Robert, what is angle 2?
108 degrees.
It's what?
108.
So we got 10 times 18?
18.
Wait.
18 times 6.
Angle 2 would be 6x, sorry. So 108 degrees, right?
Yep.
And Robert, what would be angle 3?
54 degrees.
Good, so it would be 3x, so 54 degrees. Smart people would probably want to check their work on this one, right?
Yeah.
Should all of your angle measurements equal 180?
Yep.
Do they?
Yeah.
Yep, so we should be good to go, yes or no?
Yep.
We should be good to go. If I took this a step further and asked you based on this data right here, what kind of triangle we're dealing with, what kind of triangle would you say we have right now? Thank you for raising your hand, Ben Wynn. So we know it's a scalene because we have 3 different angle measurements. We also know what else, Abby Paulnock? It's an obtuse triangle because we have one measurement that is greater than 90 degrees. So we have an obtuse scalene or a scalene obtuse, however you want to classify it. I didn't ask you for that, but you should be able to tell that, right? Yes, no?
Yes.
Questions, comments?